In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a restaurant menu in Canva. Whether you're a restaurant owner, a chef, or just someone interested in creating a beautiful and effective menu, this guide will walk you through each step in designing a compelling menu using Canva, a versatile and user-friendly design platform. To get started, you'll first need to open up your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the search bar that's usually located at the top of the screen. This is your starting point for accessing the wide variety of templates Canva offers. In this case, we're going to type in food menu. By doing so, you'll unlock a curated selection of visually appealing templates specifically designed for restaurant menus. The selection includes a range of styles, everything from sleek, modern designs to more traditional, elegant ones, suited for upscale dining establishments. Take your time browsing through these options. Choose a template that not only reflects the character of your restaurant, but also aligns with the type of dining experience you offer. Once you've selected a template that resonates with you, click on it. This will open the template in Canva's editor, allowing you to see the full layout and begin customizing it to suit your needs. Now click on the Customize this template button. This is where the magic really happens. By customizing, you'll be able to replace the placeholder content with your actual menu items. Begin by updating the text on the menu. Click on any text box in the template, and you can start typing in the appetizers, main dishes, desserts, and beverages you offer. Think about the wording. Clear and enticing descriptions can greatly enhance the appeal of your dishes. Make sure to adjust the font style, size, and color to ensure that they are easy to read and align with your restaurant's branding. Next, consider the visual elements. This is where you can add your personal or brand-specific touches. Click on any image placeholders in the template to replace them with your own photos. You might want to showcase signature dishes or atmosphere shots of your establishment. If you don't have your own images, Canva offers an extensive collection of stock photos that you can use. Adjust the layout if needed, swapping and resizing images to create an eye-catching balance between visuals and text. Finally, don't forget to check the overall layout and color scheme. These should complement your restaurant's theme and the dining experience you're providing. Once you're satisfied with your design, make sure to save your work. Canva allows you to download your menu in various formats or directly print it if you're ready. Canva makes it simple yet effective, turning your vision into a polished menu that's sure to impress and enhance your dining experience. That's everything you need to know to create a stunning restaurant menu in Canva. I hope you found this guide helpful, and good luck with your menu design.